Hey guys, this is Derek down at Southern Music in Cordial, Georgia again. I got another really cool piece of vintage gear. This is an LRE Fuzz Sound pedal. I'm playing it through this killer little Laney 1-watt tube amp. I'm going to let you hear it in just a second. This pedal's from the late 60s, maybe the early 70s. Has a really neat configuration, just true bypass switch, so it's super simple. It's got a volume knob that'll go to max, or you can actually click it back all the way off. You can see that here on the back. And then it's got a fuzz where you can turn the fuzz all the way up. I'm going to run it with the fuzz all the way up so you can really see what this thing can do. Let's get it turned back up here. Now here's just the clean amp. Alright, now let's click this bad boy on. So it's got that killer vintage fuzz sound, if you like that. Now if you're on Reverb, if you'll scroll down below, you can see some super detailed pictures of this pedal here. If you're on YouTube, click the link below and that'll take you over to our Reverb shop where you can see all our listings and all the cool vintage stuff and even cool new stuff that we have here in the store. And if you would, check out our Facebook page and hit that like button so you can get updates on all the cool stuff we get in all the time. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you again soon.